Greetings, fellow explorers of the digital frontier. I'm Ernis, your guide through the labyrinthine world of academic papers. Today, we're not just reading a paper. We're cracking open a cosmic geode to reveal the sparkling crystals of insight within. We're diving into multimodal latent language modeling with next token diffusion. Now, that title might sound like something Rick Sanchez would burp out after a particularly intense interdimensional cable binge, but trust me, this is groundbreaking stuff. The central idea? Creating a single AI model that can seamlessly juggle text, images, audio, video, you name it, think of it. A universal translator not just for languages, but for realities. Imagine feeding it a paragraph of text, and it paints a vivid picture. Or showing it a video, and it tells you the story. The possibilities are, well, they're pretty mind-blowing. So, how do they pull off this digital wizardry? Let's check in with our memory palace, a sprawling digital library where each concept has its own wing. First, in the discrete and continuous data wing, we find the key challenge. AI traditionally struggles to handle different types of data, like the clean, precise world of text versus the messy, analog world of images. It's like trying to fit a square peg, text, into a round hole, image. To solve this, the authors introduce Latent Language Modeling, LATE. Imagine your data, whatever its form, as travelers arriving at an interdimensional airport. LAT is the baggage handler that unifies their luggage, transforming everything into a single, manageable format. This format? Latent vectors? Fine, yeah, I guess. Okay, stick with me here. They use a variational autoencoder, VAE. Now, VAE is like a cosmic compressor, shrinking images, audio, and video into these compact latent vectors, capturing the essence while discarding the excess baggage. This compression allows AI to process all kinds of data uniformly. You might be wondering, but Ernis, doesn't compressing data lose information? Precisely, and that's where the next innovation comes in. Next, token diffusion. Imagine each latent vector as a rough sketch. Next, token diffusion is the artist that progressively refines that sketch, adding detail and clarity with each stroke. It predicts the next element in the sequence, iteratively improving the data. This process relies on what they call causal transformers. Transformers are the workhorses behind most modern AI, and causal just means they look at the past to predict the future, like a historian piecing together events. Think of each transformer layer as a cosmic filter, sifting through the noise to reveal the underlying patterns. Now, there was a slight snag, a real Rick-level problem. Variance collapse. Imagine your cosmic compressor squeezing too hard, crushing all the interesting details out of your data. To prevent this, the authors developed VAE. VAE forces the latent space to maintain a healthy level of variance, ensuring that those subtle details don't get lost in the compression process. It's like adding just the right amount of seasoning to a dish. Enough to bring out the flavors, but not so much that it overwhelms everything. So, what did they do with this thing? They put LAT through its paces. Image generation, multimodal language understanding, text-to-speech synthesis, the works. And guess what? It crushed it. In image generation, it outperformed diffusion transformers. In multimodal tasks, it blew away the competition. In language modeling, text-to-image generation, and vision, language understanding metrics. And in text-to-speech, it synthesized speech with uncanny speaker similarity and robustness, all while using 10 times fewer decoding steps than existing models. Fine, yeah, I guess. Look, the point is, this paper is a big deal. This is not just about making AI bigger. It's about making it smarter, more versatile, and more efficient. So, what does this all mean for you, bright explorers? It means a future where AI can truly understand and interact with the world around us, regardless of the form that information takes. A future where AI can seamlessly blend art and science, creativity and analysis. That's it for today's journey into the heart of Paper Ledge. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being curious. Until next time, this is Ernis, signing off.